Pale Hydra.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to adapt and paint a 3D printed Winter Soldier mask. I sketched in a line to follow with my rotary tool. This cut will allow room for the chin. Once everything is removed, use 120 grit sandpaper to smooth all edges and surfaces. Next, use a heat gun to slightly warm the plastic so you can warp it enough to fit on a face. When it's the correct shape, coat the entire mask with a 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. Use blue painter's tape to cover the side textured panels. Trim any excess with an X-Acto knife. Then spray with a black flat enamel. Remove the tape. If you have some runs under the tape, spray some of the primer onto the plastic wrap and cover the runs using a brush. Next, I sketched in the paint lines using a pencil and then applied charcoal gray to these areas. On the remaining primer, apply heather gray. In order to not make the mask look like it is fresh out of the factory, dry brush the heather gray onto areas which would receive wear in real life. Finally, you have a quick and easy Winter Soldier mask. If you haven't done so yet, hit those like and subscribe buttons to see more builds coming your way. And follow on Instagram and Twitter.